do. I have several, and then when you're in the program, I will show them to you and explain in detail why each of the components is in that program. Can you help ask any books? Okay, that's good. We can go through the books. Market Wizards by Jack Schwager,
Yep.
obviously a must-read. It's a great book. Remnants of a Stock Operator, another great read by Edwin Lefebvre.
Trading in the Zone, one of my
Trading
personal
in the
favorites.
Zone, good one.
Wish I would have read that. I read it once I became successful. I really wish I would have read that before, because it doesn't just explain why you're making or it doesn't explain the psychological mistakes you're making, but it kind of explains the hey, what was the groundwork for that? Why am I thinking, why am I doing this? Which was, pretty cool for me.
Yep. Other good ones for trading. I like Pitbull, which is a Marty Schwartz book, which is a phenomenal. I like books that talk about traders. An absolute must-read, in my opinion, is One Good Trade by Mike Bellafiore. Mike owns and operates S&B Capital, the prop firm. It's a phenomenal book, and if you need to hear it from somebody who actually runs a New York prop firm, if coming from me isn't good enough, read that book, and Mike will tell you everything that I'm telling you right here. I read it about 6 months ago, and it goes to the top of my reading list. It's really, really good.
So another good one, and it's not really trading specific, but it was the Winning Edge series. There's 4 books in the series. I think it was number 1, but it talks about, and this is very important for you guys that are about to go on this journey. It talks about the other factors of trading. It shared a lot of stories on psychology, but really about how to keep the trading struggles and the emotional ups and downs, how to keep that from affecting your family life. I know that helped me a lot, because I was not really a nice person probably when I was going through my training, and I would let the frustrations of losing trades, and I would let that come home with me to my friends and family. And this book was great because it gave examples of how, hey, Bob ruined his life, had to get a divorce, lost contact with the kids, all because he was frustrated at trading and then took it home and would yell at his kids. And that was a great one for me to read.
Yeah, it's no way to live.
Yeah.
Yeah, money's not important enough to destroy a family over.
Nope.
The question is, do you have any brokers who can handle Australian residents? Yeah, I believe Trey Lazara can at Trade Pro Futures. He's the guy that I talked about in the session yesterday. He's the guy who's offering the rebate program to you guys, get the whole course paid for in rebates on your trading. It's just a great opportunity for you. And I know Trey personally. He's spoken at one of our events. He's a good guy, and he works really hard to, it's his business. And he works really hard to see that the traders who are putting their money with him are taken care of. You recommend a % of risk on my balance account? No, I don't. He's asking if I have a $10,000 account, what percentage I should risk on a per trade basis. And no, I don't. We do all of our money management is based off of a portfolio. So we take a look at how many different pairs are we trading. What is the performance, what is the outcome, the profitability of all of those pairs when you put them together, and then how do I apply a money management strategy to that, and that will change over time. So as your account balance increases, so will your position sizing, and as your account balance decreases, so does your position sizing. So we adjust position size on the move. That's how we're able to create, really phenomenal returns without abject drawdown.
Yeah, none of that. I'm going to risk 2% per individual trade and changing position sizes. That's going to get you in trouble.
When does the program start? We're having the Monday morning. We will have the new trader orientation, and that's when we're going to explain everything about you guys have access to the course right now. You've got access to all this stuff, but we're going to actually walk you through there's a lot of moving parts because you guys get a lot of stuff when you come into the program, and we're going to take just about an hour to put everybody into that. And then the live room will start the following that Tuesday. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Yeah, right.
Good book. Good book.
I joined, so I got it. Wonderful.
Nice.
Any suggestions on a broker for a data feed? It doesn't matter. Gain, FXCM. MB Trading's